friends, we are going to study about materials, metals and non-metals. Friends, the objectives of these videos to gain the understanding of physical properties of metals and non-metals, chemical properties of metals and non-metals, uses of metals and non-metals. Introduction. Materials can either be metals and non-metals. Metals differ from non-metals in physical and chemical properties. All metals share certain physical and chemical properties. Materials which are generally hard, lustrous, malleable, ductile, sonorous and good conductors of heat and electricity. First we know about physical properties of metals. They are generally hard to touch. Lustrous. Lustrous means that is freshly cut surface of metals have characteristic shining. Next one, malleable. What do you mean by malleable? The properties of metals by which they can be beaten into thin sheet is called malleability. Next one, ductile. The properties of metals by which it can be thrown into wires is called ductility. Gold is highly ductile. One is sonorous. That is, since metals produce ringing sound when struck on hard surface. Next one is good conductors of heat and electricity. That is, substances which allow heat and electricity to pass through them are called conductors of heat and electricity. Next one is physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals are soft and dull appearances. Example, coal and sulfur. They are generally brittle. That is, they break down into a powdery mass on tapping with a hammer. They are not sonorous and pure conductors of heat and electricity. Let us know about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. One is reaction with oxygen. Both metals and non-metals when burned in oxygen from their oxides. Oxides of metals are basic in nature, while that of non-metals are generally acidic in nature. Second one is reaction with water. Some metals react with water to produce metals hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Generally, non-metals do not react with water. Third one is reaction with acids. Metals react with dilute acids and produce metal salt and hydrogen gas. Generally, non-metals do not react with dilute acids. Fourth one is reaction with bases. Metals react with bases to produce hydrogen gas. Fifth one is uses of metals. Metals are used in machinery, automobiles, trains, satellites and making chemicals, etc. Next one is uses of non-metals. Non-metals are also used in day-to-day life. Example, oxygen is essential for life. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are used as fertilizers. Chlorine is used as water purifier. Summary. In this module, we learned about physical properties of metals and non-metals, chemical properties of metals and non-metals, uses of metals and non-metals.